First, open your Capcup app. Click New Project button to add the video materials without watermark in the mobile phone album. Then, stretch the video to the longest to the end. The first 4 frames at the beginning of the video and the last 4 frames at the end are needed to be cut off. Click Edit, it will slide to the 4th frame. Then click Split to cut the video and select the previous 4 frames to delete. Select the Capcup clip at the end of the video and click the Delete button to delete it. Select the video and press with 2 fingers to rotate the video by 2 degrees. Then the video will enlarge to proper size. Next, select the video. Click Edit. Then Speed button. Choose Normal and adjust the speed to 1.1 times speed. Select the video here, click Stickers, then choose appropriate sticker to shrink and place it in the appropriate position. And lengthen the stick duration and align it with the video. In the main menu, to select Effects, and choose Video Effects. Choose the appropriate effect and align the special effect duration with the original video. Select the video to find the start point of the transition. And then select Split. Next, find the split button and select the appropriate transition effect in the window. Select Filters in the main menu, and then select the appropriate filter effect. Also need to align the filter duration with the original video. Select the overlay. In the main menu to add the prepared video. Choose the filmed video and click Splice. Select the appropriate mode to move the data to left to number 3. Divide the actual duration, then select and click the Delete button to delete. Finally, export the videos. Open the album, you can find the videos.